Hey guys, like as today. So today I'm gonna be doing the Warhead challenge. I actually got that for Christmas in my stocking. Christmas color warheads. See? I got them right there. Right there. So yeah. We'll be doing the Warhead challenge. Maybe about like spin as I want. I'll do 5 for now because I feel kinda hungry, but I'm gonna do it for you guys.
Next up, we have a little bit of a strange but also very cool YouTube video and diamond play button. So this obviously isn't a real diamond play button, but it's a reenactment of it, and it's a model of it pretty much. So in this video by Filmo Kawaii Emotions, I'm not sure what YouTubers they are. I've never actually heard of them before, but I'm guessing they make these sort of videos, and they don't actually talk in the videos. They just add music in the background while they do their thing. And this is actually really cool. So if you ever imagined the diamond play button being able to like stretch out and have like some soggy goo inside, 100% not. You've never thought that in your life. But anyway, we have a video here of that. And it's everything that you would think it is. So they basically show you how to do it yourself. And it's DIY video. And it's actually pretty cool. So they get like polystyrene, cut out little parts of it, and make their own little play button. And that's actually really cool. So I'm guessing you guys should probably try this at home.
I'm gonna squish this one up. What?
So this next one by a YouTuber called Awesome Guy, who has over 100,000 subscribers. This video is actually pretty cool and nearly has 1 million views actually. And I'm quite surprised I didn't put this in my last video. It was uploaded in March, so I could have put it in. But anyway, I'll put it in now. And it's actually really cool. So you first look at it and you think, alright, it's going to be fake. You can obviously tell by the thumbnail. But still, when he opens it up, it all looks legit. And yeah, you obviously can tell by the actual play button it's made out of Lego. But
Oh guys, I just put notes alone. Colin's Key and Jacob Sartorius. Either wear challenge. I just put it on for that. You ready? To red. One second. Guys, this is really getting to me. See you guys later.